Drop the designed pattern into the printing software. After adjusting the required parameters, you can start printing immediately. This machine is equipped with an Epson XP600 dual print head, offering a print width of 30 cm and unlimited length. 6-color ink supply system with white ink circulation and stirring function. No need for waste disposal. Suitable for polyester, pure cotton, non-woven fabric, silk, and various other textile fabrics. This step is to heat the powder until it becomes sticky. Simply lay the garment flat, and it's ready for direct transfer. Can be freely kneaded and washed with water, without deformation or fading. High color fidelity, high definition graphics. If you're interested, feel free to contact us.